Dean Davison, liveweatherblog.com meteorologist here. Overnight outlook time. We're looking at an area in the entire nation that's looking to get some snow here. We got some winter storm watches and winter weather advisories in the north. We have some winter storm warnings, one here in Wyoming. We got a blizzard warning here for parts of Iowa. Winter storm warnings in the mountains of North Carolina. Winter weather advisory along the coast. And then we have the winter storm watch and winter weather advisories along here in Delaware Valley, along with some more winter weather advisories here in the northeast. And the winter storm watch down here in the south. And we're going to get into that south storm coming in here during this liveweatherblog.com overnight outlook. It's going to be a little longer this time because I'm going to go deeper into the south ice and snowstorm we're going to be getting over the weekend and into early next week. Okay, let's first take a look at the Roanoke Valley. We have 27 Galax, 37 Martinsville, 37 Danville, 30 Lynchburg, the freezing mark here in Roanoke, Blacksburg 28, Bluefield 27, 28 in Whitfield, 30 in Bristol, Tennessee, 27 Bristol, Virginia, 21 Hot Springs, 34 Staunton, and 28 in Lexington. National temperatures: 55 LA, 60 Phoenix, 45 Portland, 44 Seattle, 33 Billings, 20 Salt Lake City, 28 Denver, 35 Santa Fe, 42 Tulsa, 34 Kansas City, 10 Minneapolis, 68 warm degrees in Houston, 61 in New Orleans, 49 Memphis, 52 Atlanta, 32 here in Roanoke, 29 in New York, and 18 Bangor, Maine, and 60 in Miami. The picture shows a lot of clouds here in the east, and this is just going to continue. We're going to have a couple things happen. We're going to have an area right around here that's going to get a lot of snow. We're talking about 4 to 8 inches. We got another area here in Roanoke in the Triad that we're looking at some snow overnight. We're going to get into the radar picture now. The radar picture is showing some snow, especially here in the south side, but this is going to increase. We're going to get some snow here in the Roanoke Valley and Bedford County, continuation overnight. Of course, keep getting this energy pulsing over the same areas. So, chance of snow all night long here in the Roanoke Valley. A couple, 1 to 2 inches may occur, really coating to an inch here in Roanoke. Here is our winter storm watch. This is going to be for the 3 to 6 inch snowfall rate here in the Delaware Valley. And a winter weather advisory outside of that area. We're going to be your 2 to 4, 1 to 3 inch snowfall rates here tomorrow. Synoptic maps, you can see where our low is lining up here along the coast. This will trough out to an inverted trough and cause some heavier snowfall along the Delaware Valley tomorrow. This is one of the reasons we're getting that stronger snowfall to occur in the area of New Jersey. And as this thing moves up the coast and moves out, we can see the next low is developing now here in Texas. These are usually when you get these good storms, and it's projected to move in this general direction, reform off the coast, and then move away. What that'll do with the inverted trough will put some snowfall in that location to be heavier as it goes along. As you see, it does move to the east, and we're going to look at the 3 to 7 day now. And we're going to move it along, and you can see, here we go, the inverted trough and the low forming off North Carolina coast, the inverted trough back. That's going to increase the snow probabilities here in the Roanoke Valley and the Triad up through Washington, D.C. And as this moves along, we'll get some snow also with a little bit of an inversion here, especially along again New Jersey and part of Massachusetts. This is going to be the area that you're going to get the most snow as the thing moves to the north and away, as the high pressure then builds back in and stays chilly for next week, and we go to day 7. The high pressure continues to build in. We're going to take a look now at the GFS 18Z run. Here we go, 90 hours out. You can see we have on that between 1 and 2 inches. And like I said, it's going to continue for a while, so this is why I'm saying we can get up to 6, possibly more inches could occur in the Roanoke Valley, especially with orographic lift and everything else that will go into this system. So we're going to still watch this really closely and monitor this, and I'll have probably a first call run tomorrow evening for you. It slowly moves in 10 hours up the coast a little bit, and you can get to New Jersey with that inversion. It shows some heavier snow also in Jersey. So like I said, this can be a very interesting system where we have generalized half-foot along the eastern seaboard. Still a little bit of time to look at it, still a little bit of time to go over the snow totals, but that is what I'm looking at this current time. And like I said, I'll have my first call numbers tomorrow night, but just keep that in the back of your mind. I'm seeing some at least 3 inches, and above 6 wouldn't surprise me either, especially like I said along the mountains on the lee side where you get the diversion drop with the lee side convergence. We might have some heavier snowfall. And then this thing moves itself off the coast and goes away as the next one moves into the northwest, and some moisture down here in the Gulf of Mexico. So our Roanoke Valley forecast, we're looking at snow likely overnight, about an inch of snow, possibly up to 2 in some of the higher elevations. 27 overnight, chance of flurries Saturday night and Saturday. Then sunny on Sunday before we get into the next load of precipitation coming in for Monday, with rain and snow mixed, turning to all snow, going through Monday night, Tuesday night into Wednesday, and like I said, that will be the bigger of the storms that we can expect here in the Roanoke Valley. And for the Triad, winter weather advisory in effect for the Triad. 40% chance of snow tonight, 27. 39 Saturday, 37 Sunday before we get into the snow Monday and Tuesday. So, a generalized 3 to 6 inches in the Delaware Valley for tomorrow, and then we have an inch or so snow in the Roanoke and Triad areas, and then we get into the storm on Monday. But when we talk about the South, we also want to tell you that the southern area, and I'm going to definitely go into it tomorrow, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, those areas need to very much be paying attention to liveweatherlogs.com and your media outlets for the ice storm that you may occur. We're talking about significant icing in Louisiana and that area. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison. Stay tuned for more information as it comes available. Have a great evening.